Alright, guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Naja Pride Crazy Tips. The other video that we published the other time, we are talking about how to run advert on your adsterra account to make more money. So today I'm going to share you guys with one of the tricks that I've tried, which is the use of adfly. So adfly, you guys know adfly now. Adfly is one advertising platform whereby you they pay publishers by shortening their URL in their platform, and once they share the URL, and each click on that URL will earn them money, a lot of money. Okay, so that is how AdFly works. So my main motivation for using AdFly is because I noticed that their traffic is all rare. They are all human, no good traffic. Okay, so but the problem there is that the way they share the advert is once someone click on the URL, the URL will first of all show them advert first before redirecting the person to the main URL. So okay, so but the problem there is that most of the times your advert they might not be interested on your advert. If it is Google AdSense, Google AdSense track your past activities, your internet activities. So they will recommend the best ad for you. Okay, but this one, yeah, maybe the person might be looking for another thing while the ad file will be showing them another thing. So that is the only weak point that I noticed there. But most of the traffic are real human being. Okay, so now I'm going to show you my ad fly account. Going to log in. Okay. All right. You can see this is the stuff. What is this one? Now I created this advert. I targeted China, Kenya, Nigeria, and South Africa. Okay. Now here is the minimum order that I requested. I got 1,000 traffic from South Africa. I got 5,000 from Nigeria. I got 2K from Kenya. I got 1,000 from China. Okay, so this is I, the amount that I spent on each. So in China, I used 0.80 dollar, what I call this cent. It's not up to a dollar. You understand? To grab 1K from China. So here I doubled it into two, which is $1.60. Okay. Here is 5K dollar. I used $4. Then in South Africa, I used $2 to grab 1K. Okay, so this is how much I spent. Yeah, the total amount of money I spent is up to let's say $8. Spent up to $8 to run this. Okay, now this is how I created the campaign. In case if you want to try it, I here you can see this instantiation right here. Pop under is here, push ads is here. They have banner. Okay, so now I would like you guys to try push ads. This is the one that I used. I used pop under. Okay, but in your own case, you can use this push ad. I think push ad is always profitable. So you can see it's new here. Try using this particular one. Okay, so but if you want to use the one that I used, just click on this pop under. Make sure this pop under is here. Then you create. Sorry. Here you first of all click on create campaign here. Create campaign here. Then you're going to choose pop under here right now. Okay. So here you're going to select your country, the particular country that you're targeting. Here is worldwide deal, traffic from all over the world. This is highly available. Like you can grab the whole lot of traffic from here. So if you like, you can use this particular one. Then this one is proxy traffic. This is boot. This is boot traffic. Don't try this one. Do not come here. Just bypass this side. Now, to make good amount of money, is that you may use of United Kingdom, United States, and you can see this two is $3 and $2 here. You can put how many traffic that you want. If you want 1,000 traffic from there, you can put 1,000 traffic here. Here 1,000 traffic, which is $5, $5.28, 2,000 traffic. Okay, so but if you don't want to use this, it's still alright. But most of the times I prefer using this worldwide deal. Okay, but at times in adsterra case, they always advise us to use South Africa. Okay, so because of that, we are going to be targeting South Africa. Okay, South Africa. Just look for South Africa. There are other. This is Nigeria here. Each 1,000 traffic will cost $0.80. Okay, this particular place is very cheap, so fucking cheap to buy traffic from. Okay, so where is South Africa? Oh, okay, this is South Africa here. Each 1,000 traffic will give you will cost you $2. So here you can buy, let's say about 3,000. Okay, then to check the total amount, it's going to be scroll down, down, down. Here you have ordered 3,000 pop ad for $7. Okay, but if you don't want to use all this stuff, assuming that you are using worldwide traffic, assuming you are using the worldwide traffic, which is highly available, you can just enter about 10,000 traffic. 10,000 traffic is going to cost you around $8. This is it, $8. Then you can click here to enter your pop ad details. Okay, here you're going to put the name of your campaign. Okay, then here you're going to put your advert URL. This advert URL now, you're going to use your website. You remember the particular video that I told you guys about how to redirect direct link, how to redirect. I'm sorry, how to redirect traffic to your direct link. So you're going to use any of your post, your site post here. So, but do not redirect them before this campaign will be approved. Make sure you redirect after when you have been notified that this campaign has been approved, because they are going to check it individually, manually, to see if the URL that you have applied here is working or not. So, but after during the time of reviewing, if they click on on this URL and notice that the URL is not valid like that, they are going to terminate your campaign. Okay, so because of that, make sure the link is clear, it's very nice and good working. Okay, then after when they have notified you that the campaign has been approved, that is the time you go and redirect them. And if you don't know how to run the redirection, you can watch our previous video. Just scroll down, you can see how to redirect stuff there. Okay, now here is traffic source, desktop and mobile. Just leave everything like this. Just leave everything like this. Okay, then here you click on agree to the terms and conditions. This and this. Then another thing is here include partner network. We will not put this because in this partner network is they can apply or work with other networks to push traffic. So that particular source might not be trustworthy. So because of that, you can check this. Okay, yeah, you go down. Here is provided for worldwide 10K traffic $8. Okay, then you pay. Here is how you use a wallet or you use your paper. So now I'm going to show you how to fund your adfly wallet. What you just need to do is you go to wallet. This is wallet here. Click on wallet. Once you click on wallet, here you go to select payment method, which is paper. They only accept paper. Here you're going to enter that $8 and thereabout. Just say let's say $8. Then you click on deposit. You can see the ones that I run before. This is the $9 which I've deposited, and this one is one I've paid before. Okay, now you click on deposit. It's going to redirect you to your PayPal account where you can pay them. Okay, right. So if you don't know how to create a PayPal account, I'm going to drop a video for you guys next time to see how to create your PayPal account and also how to fund your PayPal account. Alright, thank you for watching today's tutorial and may God bless you.